Start by positioning the handle on one door. This will be used as a pilot. Once you like the position of the handle, mark the lower hole with your pencil. Next, measure the distance between the two holes of the handle. Add this distance above the lower mark and make a new mark for your upper hole. Now take your combination square and set it to the distance you marked for the lower hole. Transfer this distance onto every door. The process is the same for the bottom doors, but you'll need to flip the combination square. Do the same thing to transfer the distance for the second mark. Next, we're going to set up the horizontal locations for the holes. If you'd like your handle to be placed in the horizontal center of the frame, measure the width of the frame and divide it by 2 to get the center. Set up your combination square for this distance and make a mark across the marks you made when measuring the vertical distances. This will make a precise cross where the holes for your handles will be located. Do the same for all your doors. It's time to start drilling the holes for your handles. Be sure to drill through the front of the doors and not from behind, or you may end up chipping the exposed surface. I would suggest using a 3/16 drill bit, but try it first on a test piece of wood to see what works best. Now go around and drill all the holes for your doors. To screw the handles into place, begin with one screw, but don't completely tighten it. Drive in the second screw and then tighten both. This will ensure there is no extra friction and it will help your handle go in straight. Go around and install the remaining handles. If you're using a knob, this process is reduced. Instead of marking 2 positions for each knob, mark 1 where the knob will be placed. To install drawer handles, first measure the distance between the holes on your handle and write this number down. Find and mark the horizontal center of the drawer, then add half of the handle measurement to the left of the horizontal center and mark it. Then do the same for the right. Find and mark the vertical center along your horizontal marks. This will give you the precise location to drill the holes for your handles. Before drilling, try test fitting your handle over your marks just to be sure. If all is good, go ahead and drill your holes using a 3/16 drill bit. Next, you can install your handles using the screws provided. Use a manual screwdriver for this so you can judge the torque and avoid cracking or damaging the panel. Congratulations, you've just refaced your kitchen. Let's look at this before and after.
All right, Frank, I've been taking a couple of notes because I'm so impressed with this video. A couple of things I want to talk about. Number one is it's exciting. The video is clear. It's realistic. You've shared all kinds of tips with everybody out there, and I like the part about the online support as well, because today that's really important. And actually, it just kind of adds up to the fact that anyone can do a good job.
Yes, yes. You just need some passion. You see, I've seen, with my experience, I've seen some refacers that have done lousy jobs around for customers. And homeowners have proved to me that using this video, this step-by-step video, they've done such a better job than these refacers. And you might ask yourself, why? How come? Well, refacing, it's a project that it's about details mainly. Aligning the doors, making sure that the veneer it's trimmed properly, the little touch-ups. You know what? You don't need to be a professional to do a good job when we're talking about details. You just need passion. And an homeowner, he's the owner of the house, right? So he cares about his kitchen.
There's passion for you.
Absolutely. And about skills, about support, we're there for you. So,
And that's passion in itself, isn't it?
Yes, there is a plan for success.
You bet. I think this is great. Thanks very much, Frank.
Thank you.